Multiplication facts. 4 times table. 4 times 0 is equal to 0. The zero property states that any number multiplied by 0 is 0. 4 times 1 is equal to 4. The identity property states that any number multiplied by 1 is that number. There are 4 groups of 2. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. There are 4 groups of 3. 4 times 3 equals 12. There are 4 groups of 4. 4 times 4 is equal to 16. There are 4 groups of 5. 4 times 5 equals 20. There are 4 groups of 6. 4 times 6 is 24. There are 4 groups of 7. 4 times 7 is equal to 28. There are 4 groups of 8. 4 times 8 is 32. There are 4 groups of 9. 4 times 9 equals 36. There are 4 groups of 10. 4 times 10 is equal to 40. Four times 0 is equal to 0. 4 times 1 is equal to 4. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. 4 times 3 equals 12. 4 times 4 is equal to 16. 4 times 5 equals 20. 4 times 6 is equal to 24. 4 times 7 is equal to 28. 4 times 8 is equal to 32. 4 times 9 equals 36. 4 times 10 is equal to 40. 4 times 5 equals 20. 4 times 7 is equal to 28. 4 times 6 is equal to 24. 4 times 9 equals 36. Rules for the quiz. First, get your pen and paper ready. Second, answer within the time limit. Third, write your answers. We will check your answers together after the quiz. What is the product of 4 and 3? What is the product of 4 and 6? What is the product of 4 and 1? What is the product of 4 and 7? What is the product of 4 and 4? What is the product of 4 and 5? What is the product of 4 and 9? What is the product of 4 and 0? What is the product of 4 and 8? What is the product of 4 and 10? What is the product of 4 and 9? What is the product of 4 and 2? What is the product of 4 and 8? What is the product of 4 and 7? What is the product of 4 and 3? Let's check your answers. 4 times 3 equals 12. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 1 is equal to 4. 4 times 7 is equal to 28. 4 times 4 is equal to 16. 4 times 5 equals 20. 4 times 9 equals 36. 4 times 0 is equal to 0. 4 times 8 is equal to 32. 4 times 10 is equal to 40. 4 times 9 equals 36. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. 4 times 8 is equal to 32. 4 times 7 is equal to 28. 4 times 3 equals 12. You did great. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.